friends, Mr. Unzicker here with another video lesson, and today we are going to play Mary Had a Little Lamb on one string. If you have not watched any of the other guitar videos before this video, then please go back to video 1 and 2 and 3 just so you can get some introduction stuff first. These lessons are designed for people who are at home that might have a guitar in the house that no one knows how to play or hasn't played for a long time, and maybe there's a string missing on the guitar or the guitar needs to be tuned. But with this lesson, you won't need to worry about that. Just get that guitar out and follow me. If you have a broken string, just play on a different string. We're only going to play on one string. Today I'm going to play on the skinniest string. But this lesson, you could play the song on any string. So let me give you an example of what I mean by any string. So I'm going to play a little bit of Mary Had a Little Lamb. Good. Now I'm going to just play the same song on a different string. It's going to sound a little higher or lower. In this case, it's going to be lower, but you'll still recognize that it's the same song, Mary Had a Little Lamb. I'm going to do it on string 1, 2, 3, 4, the fourth string, counting from the skinniest string. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here's how we play Mary Had a Little Lamb. A quick little review. Each one of these metal lines on the guitar is called a fret, and they each get a number. So if I push no string against the metal fret, and I just pluck with my thumb, back up a little bit here. I pluck with my thumb, or maybe this finger. Start with your thumb. If I pluck with no fingers pushing the string down, that's going to be fret 0. We're going to call that 0. If I take my finger and I press the string down against this metal fret here, that's fret 1, 2. Now when pressing the string down, make sure your finger's curved, and you don't have to press super hard, just hard enough to get a nice sound. If you get this kind of sound, then you need to press harder. Don't put your finger right on top of the metal fret. Put it right behind it, or inside this square is fine. So this is fret 1, fret 2, fret 0, fret 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I have 20 frets on my guitar. Maybe you should count your guitar and see how many frets are on your guitar. Sometimes there's 22. Sometimes there's 24 frets. Okay, so on Mary Had a Little Lamb, the first note in the song, Mary, is going to be on fret 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And I go 4. So Mary. So it goes 4, 2, Mary, and then 0. 4, 2, 0. Really easy. Kind of sounds like hot cross buns. That's because the same 3 notes in Mary Had a Little Lamb are the same 3 notes as hot cross buns. Hot cross buns, Mary had. Okay, Mary had. So that's 4, 2, 0. So pause the video and practice 4, 2, 0 10 times. 4, 2, 0. Pause and practice that. Okay, so now if you've paused and practiced 4, 2, 0 10 times, you're ready for the next part. So we know we can play Mary had. Now we're just going to go right back up like this. Mary had a little lamb. So that's 4, 2, 0, 2, 4, 4, 4. Again, watch or try to play with me. Ready, begin. 4, 2, 0, 2, 4, 4, 4. Good. I'll do that again. 4, 2, 0, 2, 4, 4, 4. Okay, I'm going to sing the words with these notes. Mary had a little lamb. I'm going to say the fret numbers. 4, 2, 0, 2, 4, 4, 4. Mary had a little lamb. So now you might need to pause the video or rewind and watch what I've taught so far. That's the great thing about these videos, is you can rewind them. And did you know that on these YouTube videos, you can slow the videos down? Just have your mom or dad click around and figure it out. It's different on an iPad or an iPhone or a computer, but there are ways to slow the YouTube videos down. So you can do that as well. Or just rewind and watch it over and over again, and you will get it. Okay, so far we have Mary had a little lamb. 4, 2, 0, 2, 4, 4, 4. Now, the next part of the song, Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Okay, so we're going to go up high there. So again, this is the part we know. Mary had a little lamb. Now the next little lamb is just little lamb. You just play 2. Just the 2, fret 2, and you play it 3 times. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb. Then back up to 4, and then this is the hard part. We slide up to fret 7, 4, 5, 6, 7. Little lamb, 4, 7, 7. That's the highest note in the song. You won't have to go past fret 7. Little lamb, 4, 7, 7. So I'm going to play from the beginning nice and slow, and I'm going to say the fret numbers. 4, 2, 0, 2, 4, 4, 4, 2, 2, 2, 4, 7, 7. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And on my guitar, I have these birds on my guitar. You see the birds? Isn't that cool? There's a different bird on each one of those frets. I have a fancy guitar. Most guitars have dots, but I have birds. Okay, so fret 7. All right, now I'm going to start from the beginning again. 4, 2, 0, 2, 4, 4, 4, 2, 2, 2, 4, 7, 7. Okay, so pause the video or rewind and don't move on till you can play the song all the way to fret 7, and then start the video back up and I'll teach you the rest of the song. All right, so pause. Okay, now you should be back. And you can play 4, 2, 0, 2, 4, 4, 4, 2, 2, 2, 4, 7, 7. Now, here's what it sounds like with the words. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Now I sing the same part that I just did earlier. Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as snow. No new frets, just 4s, 2s, and 0s. So after we go little lamb, then we have the next half of the song. 4, 2, 0, 2, 4, 4, 4. Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as snow. that's a lot of 4s and 2s to keep track of. So the way to get good at this is to sing the song and really listen to, am I playing, does it sound like the song? You know how to sing Mary Had a Little Lamb. So if you know that the only fret choices are 4s, 2s, 0s, and only 1 7 up high, then if it sounds wrong, you're probably playing it wrong. So let your ear guide you. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to play the song nice and slow, and I'm going to put in the fret numbers down below in the video, and then your job is to try to play along with me. Or play by yourself, but remember to sing along. Okay, so I'm going to sing the words, and then the fret numbers will show up below. Also, I will put a link to print up the words with the fret numbers, so just ask your parents to go to the description bar or watch this video to find how to print up your own sheet music for Mary Had a Little Lamb. Okay, so here we go. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as snow. Good. Now you can rewind that and play it and practice it again, or practice it alone. Here is an example of playing it on another string. I'm going to play it on string 6, the big fat string. Okay? And I encourage you to play it on all the strings. Here is string 6, the fattest, biggest string, because there's 6 strings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is string 6, the big fat one. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as snow. Good. All right, so practice that. Make sure you can sing along. Go slow, watch the video over and over, or rewind it to different sections. And it would be great if you could send me a video back of you playing Mary Had a Little Lamb. You can just get your parents to videotape you, and then they can email me the video, and I will send you back your own personal video with maybe suggestions on what you can do, or maybe some other songs. Also, remember to subscribe to this channel by just clicking subscribe down by my name, and then if you click that little bell, you'll get alerts when I post new videos. And tell all your friends about this channel. I'm trying to get this channel out since we are not in school together, but we can still play some music together. All right, Mary Had a Little Lamb. Thanks, guys. Good luck. Work hard. Bye.